Assalamu alaikum. You see, this is the how can you see the report, every day report, every product voice report, and category voice report. If you see, you will go to first you will sell. Okay, first you will sell, then you can sell this today. Example, today will sell this product. Okay, and this product you will sell. Then how many product you will sell, you will today, you will evening time you will see the today report. Okay, then you can close this part, then go to report. Okay, this have everything report is there. Which report you want to see? Daily sale report, and you will see the summary, counter summary, and product voice report, category voice report. Which one you will see? Daily sale report, you want to go there. Daily sale report, if you click here, you want selected your users, which users you can sell. If you sell this user and this user, so selected user, then selected users, then you will select here you see this. Okay, you will click OK. If you click the OK, then it will be coming everything sale report is there. Then you want to print this report, go to print out here. Okay, then you will double tap this one, 2-time tap, so automatically print out it is the printer machine. Okay, like this. Then if you see this is the daily sales report. If you see counter cash summary report, you will click here. Example, you will see before 3 days you don't know how much you will sell that one. And if you see the before 3 days, you will pull down this one. Okay, here down, pull down, then you will see this custom date. Okay, there is custom date, and double click here, and custom date, it will be coming this pop-up. Okay, you will selected date, before how many days you want to see. Before today is 12. Okay, if you see date of 9/09, then selected here also 09, then you this tick mark untick. Okay, click here and click here, then you will push there is writing of pursuit, you will click this pursuit, then you will selected users, then okay. If you have the sale, then automatically coming up sale report there. Okay, just you will print out. Okay, then again you will double tap that one, then automatically coming the print out. Okay, like this you will see the report. Okay, that is the everything is sale report is there. Okay, like this you want to check the report, because that one's before yesterday you want to message me, so I'm not online, that's why I can not answer you. So today I can video, then I want to send you. Okay, you want to see. Okay brother, thank you so much. And if you anything else, you want to WhatsApp me.